What's going on, everybody? I'm just sitting here on the job site. I wanted to share something with you that happened to me spring 2018. I was slocked by a turkey. It was awesome. It was a heck of an experience, and I would like to share that with you. So here coming up is the actual hunt that went on. It's going to go in small segments, of course, and then the shot. When it pauses is when I got slocked. Right there. Stitches. Yep. Okay. So, pow, he gets me. Camera goes off. We do an outro. It's all over Mossy Oak. It's over multiple websites, Facebook, yada yada. I'll show you pictures of it, glimpses of it, what happened. I don't have the video. I don't know how to get the video. Jeff Sumner took of me of the outro, of me not what you're supposed to do while you're turkey hunting. It shows the video, the gory part. So I'll show you some of this. It's gory, so just gonna let you know there's a hole in my hand. I can feel the breeze through. It was crazy. It was an awesome experience. It was my first turkey hunt ever. Check it out. Dude, Joshua, go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Just step on his head.